Hi, friends. Good day, and welcome to another episode of Sundaid. Today, we're going to learn a very interesting feature in Excel of advanced filter. You've probably heard of the filter function and are using it effectively already. But what is advanced filter? Right? Advanced filter is something we use when we have a complex criteria or multiple combinations of um, rules or filters to apply to bisect the data in there. That's where advanced filter comes into handy. Today, I have an example set over here for employees across locations, but I would like to identify a set of employees who are high earners based on the geography in there. Um, and so I have the criteria listed in columns M and O over there. Um, and in a normal scenario, I probably have to do it thrice because a normal filter will not allow me to filter on the three different ranges of salary over there. But advanced filter will allow me. So how do we go about it? Where do we find it? You come to the data tab. In the sort and filter group, you have the advanced filter section. Um, you hit on that. Um, and you select your filter range, your list range. This is where all your data set is that you'd like to filter. In criteria range, I'm going to select all of my criteria here. Now, when I say Mumbai and greater than 800,000 or Glasgow and greater than 900,000 or London and greater than 1400,000. So that's the kind of rule which is getting applied in this filter over here. So this is effectively now going to show me all employees who are based in Mumbai or Glasgow and or London with a salary respectively as mentioned in column O. One important thing you would want to keep in mind when doing this is for the criteria is try to follow the same structure of your data set into the criteria column and list them out. This is an important function for it to work. Now that we have the criteria range in here, all I'm going to do is hit OK. And there you see we have all employees in Mumbai who are earning 800,000, Glasgow greater than 900,000, and London greater than 1400,000 getting reflected here. Uh, we'd like to change that. I'm going to get it cleared. Now, I'd also like to add a criteria to this. I want London and the age being greater than 55, right? So I'm going to repeat the same exercise again. In here, advanced, my criteria range has remained unchanged, but now what I'd like to do is I want to move all of my data to another location. I'd like to see all of that data separately. So what I would like to do is I want to have all of my data getting reflected here um, in the file, and I'm going to hit OK. And there you go. Now, as you might remember, and previously we had quite a few employees who were in London as well, but now we have only 12 employees getting reflected. So to do a quick compare, I'm going to remove this again, quick filter, okay, and there you see, right? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 employees in London, but only one of them was greater than 55 who showed up when I copied it. The others did not appear. This is a very effective way to manipulate your data, set rules, etc. over there. Or if you have a large list of filters to be applied, um, this is where you can use it. This is all I had for you today. I do hope you found this useful and see you again next week. Take care.